it's hard to do. I'm frightened of not being on the mat. I've got this thing about not being on the mat.
Yeah, as long as you've got one foot on it.
Yeah, I think that's the problem.
Oh, is that?
It's not bad.
It's going to knock you in.
Oh, well there, that's good for me, Dad.
Oh, the tip of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
done. Oh, I need a couple of balls, good balls, yeah. That's better for me. Depends where my dad puts it
Well
now.
circle, Dad, one with a fleur de lis on it. That's what I've got fleur de lis. Right to left, yeah? Don't forget, a big swing, not. Don't try and stab at it.
Hang on, it folds there, Dad. It folds.
You're getting there. Getting there. That's the thing. More consistent than you were last week.
Can I just keep one foot on the mat, like that all the time, or can I start here? Definitely on the mat. You're left-handed, so you can do that.
Alright then, don't push off.
You've thrown me. Yeah. Okay.
Well, we've got 3 sides full. Can't do any more. Only thing is, if the captain's explained to us, the different team when they arrive.
Don't go there.
Really?
Right, when you're done there, you go in and have a cup of tea.
We're too good at something else.
I'm doing. I'm winning. Oh, are you? Are you sure he's not left here? Confidence, isn't it? Pardon? That's confidence. Think about it. Everything he does, he seems to straight away, he knows that something's going to be at the right time. Help? That's one for yours. Took me to work that one out.
Not very nice, was it?
No.
You'd think he'd look after his sister, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Go on, in mine on, Dad. Pardon?
Nice to come and just watch.
Lovely delivery, that. Well done.
Well done. I used to watch my dad at Mrs. Rose. That I didn't.
Yeah. Time bomb. No, it's fine. One at King's Park as well.
Do you still use that?
No, the place with the rack and roll. Yeah, it is.
I think why he's come back since Lazarus Day.